Good morning, Doctor. We are from Group 3 and we would like to present the preliminary investigation of ZR printing. I'm Chen Yixi with rating number 272694 and I would like to present the introduction part. Firstly, I would like to introduce our team. Our team is made up of 5 system analysts consultants which provide the best accounting system consultation service to small and medium enterprise in our nearby community. The services include to analyze and design a better system solution for real-world problems, and to help clients to use accounting system and better services solutions for their business operation and to solve the problems. The below diagram is the organization chart of our team. The project roles of each of us will be discussed later. Next, I would like to introduce our client, which is ZR Printing. ZR Printing is a brand under ZR Synergy Resources that are responsible for the full range of print services to a variety of clients operating across many different industries. The print services provided are customized based, which tailor specially according to clients' individual needs. The custom-made products include apparel and merchandise such as trophies, medals, and bags. The current system used by ZR Printing is Wave system. It fulfills most of the requirements of ZR Printing. However, ZR Printing made some problems while using Wave system. Thus, some changes are planned for the company with respect to current system. Below diagram is the organization chart of ZR Printing. It is made up of the CEO, which is Mr. Zafran Rifki, and 3 departments, which is the creative media, marketing, and procurement. Next will be presented by my teammate.
For the definition of system request summary, it is a document that explains why the company is developing the system and what the benefit of the system is supposed to provide. So for the system, it often aims to improve their customer service for the client and also within the company. When the project is initiated, business user completed this form as part of system approved process.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatiha binti Abdul Qadir and my matric number is 273652. So today I will present for the summary of system request description. So system that been used by this company by our client is Wave system. This system can track payroll, payments and invoicing that automatically will be reduced a number of mistakes when they key in the data. For the invoice sense, the customer get instant notification when the invoice is viewed by the client, but the problem is the timing to claim the invoice is too long. Besides, the system also can track the payments or overdue invoices using invoicing apps which known as Invoice on the Go. So it will be easier for their customer to make any change or payment any invoices everywhere and anywhere. Moreover, this system also let inviting as a person from a trusted individual to be a collaborator to help with the accounting. Next, we use the fishbone diagram to determine the problems. We found that there is an ineffectiveness of problem that the company faces using the current system. So we come out the fishbone diagram to illustrate the problem they are facing. The problems are, first, the customer cannot claim based on receipt as the Wave cannot attach the receipt to invoice. It will be difficult for the company to make a claim for the customers. Second, the system is unable to make a purchase order. Purchase orders are equally important as it may be able to do budget analysis to determine variance and control lines item costs. Other than that, it is related to the cost as some features in the Wave are not free. It may cause the company to spend more in the system. Last but not least, we found that the company have a problem in measurement where they are unable to keep tracking bills. So it might take longer time for the client to track the bills.
For the summary of new system, we have come up with a new system that named Rapid Tech System that can solve the problem that facing by ZR Printing, which is unable to create purchase orders and cannot claim based on the receipt. So for the problem of unable to create purchase order, it is about they have difficulties on to make the changes or editing of the invoice as they have limited to make any changes. So for the claim, they took so long time to make a claim, and they also cannot get in touch with the customer service, so it will be difficult for the company to get claim faster. So our system has come out with that provide with unlimited numbering setting for the document to make any editing or remove the data that they want to change. So it will be flexible for the customer to make any change relating to the transaction. Moreover, this system is user friendly as they can get in touch with the customer service when they have any problem facing. So for the claim, we have come up with the invoice to make claim faster, as we have provided payment method as being upgraded to many options. So for the expected benefit, we have tangible benefit and also intangible benefit. For the tangible benefit, the first point is get paid faster with the many options. So we have improved the system by support about 900 payment types, so it will be easier for the customer to make faster payment whether their clients are from overseas or local. So this allow the user to send online invoice to their client. So our upgrading is focusing about effective and efficiency in the system, as the customer can have many options to make payment. And beside that, the users also can get in touch with our customer service by the number phone provided, so that if they have any problem, they can contact with the customer service quickly. For the second point is improve invoice editing. So sometimes the customer have many mistakes relating to the invoice when they key in the data and need to edit again. So with this system, we have developed the user can edit the invoice unlimited, and the users can get the notification faster when the client open the invoice. So it will be easier for the customer to trace whether the client have received the invoice or not. And the system also support the mobile apps that can reconcile, and the client can send the invoice and create the claim from anywhere. That can be easier for the customer to make a business only by using your mobile phone only. So for the third is the software saving the changes making. Saving the changes making is about the system can automatically save their work. So it will be secure for the company to use the system, and it is avoid from the users lost any information relating to their work. And for intangible benefit, the system give the benefit for the company in terms of intangible, which can increase the service quality by establish payment method. This service will be important for the company to grow more in the future, and the customer will be satisfied when using the system, as they not need to worry anymore about the issues they're facing now. They're facing about their current system.
So next, I will present about the benefits of new systems. So based on the proposed project by our group, this is the rapid test, we believe this system will definitely enhance the efficiency of the facility maintenance management of ZR printing compared to the current mode of operations. So this is by providing this new system, ZR printing business performance will increase, and employees will be provided a user-friendly environment, as it will be ease their daily workloads. The clients can make payments through the invoices only. It is very convenient for the users, safety times, and also safety costs. Also, this will directly boost ZR printing customer satisfaction towards their service, since their data will be stored effectively in the system. On top of that, the time consumed for the job can be lessened, which leads to more productivity. We're adding new improvement to the system, which is the system can attempt to claim the payments from the clients. This system will encourage for customers to pay automatically, thus making it easier, faster, and more secure rather than customer paying in cash. So, in conclusions, it is proven that this new Rapitash is able to provide a wide range of benefits and advantages for the printing company.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Atina Sofia binti Abdul Kahar. My matric number is 272251. I will present the feasibility analysis finding. First, operational feasibility. Operational feasibility is to measure how well proper system can solve the problem. Based on the current system, the company have their limitation in using wave systems such as the customer cannot claim based on the receipt and the company are not able to make purchase order. So we have decided to propose a new system which is Rapid.Dash based on the company's need, and it will be more advanced compared to the previous system. The new system helps to ease both customer and company, where the customer can make a fast payment through the invoice sent by the company. The system assists company in easiest and efficient way. Next, schedule feasibility. Schedule feasibility is to determine the completion date for the proper system. During the deadline, we ensure that all the risks can be solved within the estimated time for the system can be used. We also come up with a schedule to update our progression to develop the system. Next, economic feasibility. Economic feasibility, based on our study, the cost for the ZR printing to implement the system are small compared to the long-term benefit of using Rapid.Dash. Our new system can save time and reduce the operating expenses for the company. The company just need to enter sales detail and the system will generate other items such as purchase order, invoice. This means that ZR printing will not have to record sales for many times because all the sales data will be stored on the system. As a result, the costs such as hardware, software will be covered by a long-term benefit. The new system will help the company's operation become more reliable and easier. Lastly, technical feasibility. Rapid.Dash is a proper system that ZR printing must have necessary technical resource to use the system. This computerized system needs computer or laptop. There are some new features from the new system such as purchase order. As ZR printing still new with the system, we will provide training for the company to be able using the system. It will not difficult for the company as the system did not need much technology as they still can use their current technology. Next slide is project roles. I will introduce our project manager, Chen Yi Ki. She will analyze and manage project risk, monitor the progress of the project, and lead assigned tasks and coordinate the team. Our executive sponsor, Nur Fatiha binti Abdul Qadir, her duty are ensure project goals are aligned with the company's strategies, help provide decision-making idea, and has ultimate authority and guide the teams. Our information analyst, Siti Nur Adila binti Muhammad Azhar, she will analyzing data, designing information system, and producing accurate and appropriate report. She will also ensure all the information analysis and requirement gathering process are complete. Next, me, Atina Sofia binti Abdul Kahar, as a software developer, I will research, design, implementing, and manage software program. I will also analyze data to make any recommendation and plans for the installation of new system or the existing system. Lastly, system designer, Nur Nazatul Ashike binti Amir Hamzah. She will coordinate with project team member to implement design and work through the design revision. She will also conduct software programming through established design standard. That's all from me. Thank you.
Estimates the time used for this project, and we decided to use a Gantt chart to present our estimation. This table is the summary of the forecasted duration for each phase. There are 5 phases in this project, and we forecasted that we will use 89 days to complete this project. This table shows the detailed activities for each phase and the durations taken for each activities to complete. There are totally 6 activities in the system planning phase, and forecasted they will take 11 days to complete the system planning phase. Next, there are 10 activities in the system analysis phase, and we plan that we will use 33 days to complete this phase. This table shows the detailed activities of system design phase, system implementation phase, and the system support and security phase. If it takes 20 days for system design phase, 15 days for system implementation phase, and 8 days for the system support and security phase. This is the Gantt chart as a result of our estimation. Next will be presented by my teammates.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Nur Adila binti Muhammad Azhar. My metric number is 273214. So I will present cost estimation of our purpose system, which is rapid.dash, and current data flow diagram for JR printing. So firstly, cost estimation. Estimate cost project is the process of predicting cost and price of the resources required by the project. So our project is purpose system for ZR printing, which is rapid.dash. So there are 4 estimate costs, which is software, hardware, project management, and other costs. First, software cost. Software cost consists of cost of license, software development, time setup, and server cost. Cloud server cost. So total cost for software cost is 6,200. Next is hardware cost. Hardware that we are required to use for our system is computer set and server. So total cost for hardware is 4,700. Next is project management cost. Project management cost consists of cost of project manager, executive sponsor, information analyst, software developer, and system designer. Project management cost is 17,000. So lastly, other cost. Other cost is cost of employee training and consultation cost. Total cost for other cost is 3,500. So overall cost estimation for using our purpose system rapid.dash is 31,400. Next is current data flow diagram for ZR printing. There is three process, which is processing order, invoicing, and production. So firstly, client ZR printing will send quotation to client. After that, when client receives the quotation, client will review the quotation, and if client agree with the quotation, then client will issue the purchase order. After that, ZR printing will make the sale order and will record the sale order and send invoice to client. After client receive the invoice, then client will make payment to ZR printing. Then quotation proposal will be sent to the production process, and will wait for approval from client. And after client send the approved quotation, then ZR printing will make inventory order to supplier. After that, then ZR printing will start doing for production. So that's all for me. Thank you.